Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on reset options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for. Here your device will of course inform you what it will actually reset, so the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. After tapping on reset settings, your device will also inform you that you cannot undo this action. So if you're ready, tap on reset settings, and after receiving this information you can be sure that the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your BLACKVIEW Tab 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.